In this video, we will see how to filter, create features, and select features from our faces file. So first of all, I use here a lot of this pipe symbol that basically just says that it takes the my faces, uh, so the data set with the list with faces, our face object, and bring him as a first argument for the next function. So we do all that together. We first filter the faces. Why would we filter the faces? Basically, there could be several reasons. For example, we might only want to take some time for each of the phase. So we could only want to take, for example, the first 20 seconds. In this case, we could check the timestamp um, variable, and we could say set it as smaller than 20 seconds. It's actually in milliseconds, so we would do it like smaller than 20,000. Another thing that I usually always do, so another timestamp, is the success, because basically success says if OpenFace was able to identify or not a face in that section of the dataset, in that part of the video. If it doesn't, it's better to not have it because it actually creates troubles. So success must be equal to 1. So it must be confident enough of having seen a face. The second one, mutate face, and transform faces, are both used for like feature transformation. However, they are slightly different. Mutate face just work as the mutate function in deploy R, and it basically like create a new variable. For example, in this case, I want smile only when a action unit 12 and a action unit 6, so basically the smile with the face, the mouth, and the smile with the eyes are present together. So if their sum is 2, but they're both active, smile will be equal to 1. Otherwise, will be equal to 0. Instead, we have here another one that is transform faces. Transform faces act slightly differently because it needs to take all the data sets. So you need to create a function. In this case, we have the main function, so we can just source this main function. It basically needs to take the whole data set to create a new variable. In this case, main means motion energy intensity, which basically means the average intensity of the movements of the face. Finally, with select faces, we only include the variables, the features we are interested to. In this case, I chose the smile, the may, and the two variables, the two action units responsible for the smile, AU06 and AU12.